Hello, hello, hello.
I got a lens flare going on right now. Whatever, fuck it. Alright, I'm doing the mic thing again because I haven't got a mic yet, so... Oh yeah, pretend like you're talking in a bar.
Oh, so talk really loud?
Yes, and I'm not joking either. I actually talk like that.
Okay.
So we just did the Ren Fair, and stupid fucking thing is pissing me... She was pissing me off. So, yeah, we just did the Ren Fair, and I'm fucking tired. It was fun.
I had a lot of fun. I mean, this is like, I don't know, for us, probably this time we've come, and then I've been a couple other times, like years ago. I started coming when I was a teenager.
Yeah, I just started coming here mainly because of her. She was like, oh, the Ren Fair, let's check it out, or, well, check it out with me.
Mm-hmm. And so I have like 18 pounds of headgear on my head. It was Pirate Day, Pirate Weekend. So I'm dressed like a pirate, and he's dressed like a time traveler.
Yeah, I'll get the Mickey shirt. I don't look like a stupid, like, out of town, like, tourist and from Disneyland. Actually, one person picked up on it, so I'm like, alright, so that's good enough. I succeeded.
But we saw some cool stuff. A lot of awesome merch.
And exposed titties.
And a lot of, there was a lot of exposed men, too.
Actually, yeah, you're right. There were a lot of, like...
muscly Vikings.
By muscly, you mean beard guts, yeah.
There were some that were muscly.
Yeah, trash as fuck,
But
too.
they were fucked up.
Yeah, like, that's the thing we noticed. There's, like, a common theme here. Like, people get pretty trashed. The Ren Fair. Not everybody, but a good chunk of people. There's always that select few that do get fucked up. Beers are expensive, dude. Fucking $16 a can. God damn it.
And they make a killing off of it.
Oh yeah, everything here is cash. And it's like, dude, I mean, to get drunk here, I mean, $16 a can, 24 ounce, fuck, dude.
We've done it.
Oh, that's before. That's when like the cans were like $12 or 14, I think. But yeah, I think last time we drank here it was like 14, right?
I don't know.
I don't remember either. It was a while ago, and it's like, well, that's the before time, before COVID happened, and yeah. No, it came here after that.
It was last year.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know. See, that's how bad it was. I got drunk.
I was trying not to bring it up.
Whatever. I don't know what to say besides like we try to do like a meetup group again, and like yeah, we actually had some people show up. Some friends showed up. Some people didn't hang too long because like it's very tiring here. It can get hot.
It's hot.
It wasn't that bad. It was like 70s. You know?
It's like the heat itself. The temperature is not hot, but when you're
direct sunlight,
direct sun, there's not a lot of shade. You're just really exposed, and then there's a lot of people. Close area. There's a lot of dirt getting kicked up, and so people get tired of that. And some people just don't like being in crowds, so it's exhausting to them, especially if you're like more of an introverted type. Then being with a lot of other people drains your energy.
I mean, like, you know, there's the usual shit, you know, like if you don't dress up here, people will give you shit. They kind of heckle you, you know, in a playful manner, just like part of like the game, you know. We have friends like they showed up for the first time, so we want to make sure that they actually experience the fucking Ren Fair. So, you know, there were certain things I wanted to see, and I want to make sure they saw. So, like the Queen's Joust thing, yeah, that definitely was fun. You have to be there early, though, or else like they'll, you know, close you out because it gets all packed. You know, you gotta make sure you get a seat. There was like a dude that like, you know, did like the whip thing. You know, like
fire whip.
Oh yeah, fire whip.
Fire whip.
I wasn't in a good spot, so I didn't get footage of that, but I had like a picture of what he does. What's his name? Aaron Bonk.
AaronBonk.com.
Yeah, no, I can't repeat
He drilled it into us.
Yeah, he did a good job.
And then he juggles swords. He was fun. He was really funny.
I noticed that we always like end the day watching like the gypsies dance. It's like the other thing.
Yeah, so the gypsies he speaks of, they're the belly dancers.
Oh yeah, the belly dancers. Well, I don't know what the fuck they are. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm pooped, and like there's definitely a lot of merch. The clothes is expensive. I didn't realize how expensive it was because I never cared to look. But like, with some clothes, like a outfit, depending on what you want to get. If you want to get, if a female dress, it could be up to what, $300 for a skirt or something like that because it's all handmade. If you want like
well, the first booth that we went and looked at that had the, you know how the chick was like dancing outside, and I was like, ooh, twirly dresses.
Oh yeah.
Like the ones that we were looking at, those were $650.
You know, like I had some guy, you know, selling like full-on outfits for knights, you know, like armor knights with the chain link shit and all that. It's like it could go up from like 800 to 4,000.
4,000.
You know, because a lot of the shit's custom made. It's like, so people can get down when it comes to like buying this shit. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to drive home. Gotta go pick up the dog. Ren Fair.
Pirate Weekend. Opening weekend.
Yeah,
and Pirate Weekend.
It was Pirate Weekend.
It was opening day today.
Fun times. There's really nothing else I can say. I mean, like, other YouTubers, I mean, they tend to like go to every fucking booth and talk over it, and I don't want to do that shit. I just like film and then like I just chat with you guys for a bit about what we did and what it was like. It's like, or else like the videos would be 20 minutes long and be just like walking around. Fuck that, it's too much.
But if you have a Ren Fair that comes to your town or you're from this area, go.
Yeah,
Go.
it's fun.
It's a lot of fun.
It is, yeah,
Even if it's not, doesn't seem like your thing, go at least once because it is a lot of fun. People are very lighthearted. Like
everybody that's
you
watching,
could be any kind of cosplayer out there, and they're just like, "Hey, welcome, come in."
the majority of my fucking viewers, like they're either like nerds or Dungeons and Dragon geeks, so I'm sure the guys would be into that shit. So I'm very fucking sure they'd be down for Ren Fair. Oh yeah, small little plan. I'm definitely gonna get a better phone down the line because I don't like the footage of my shit. It looks bad. After a while, yeah, I started getting embarrassed about like how bad my footage is. So I actually am looking into getting a new phone and all that stuff, but you know, you have to fucking move and I'm gonna spend the money. It's like a lot of shit. Anyways, that's all I have to say. Thanks for hanging out.
Toodaloo!
Bye.